Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jenny Mutunga if you're new here. And waseli on metric nataka kumake hii video. Kuna wasi nataka kuwajibu. Watu wengi wanakuwa nakiniuliza, Jen, mbona ushukangi? Why mbona ushukangi? So guys, I just decided to make a video kuambia kwa nini sishukangi. The reason why I don't twist my hair, I just decided to turn natural for for at least 2 years, guys. So guys, yeah, I don't twist my hair because of that. And guys, trust to me, kutoka ni turn natural, believe you me, my hair grow, because you can't believe this hair has 8 months. So guys, I just decided to turn natural last year May. Nilinyoa nywele yangu. So guys, the reason why I turned natural is that nilikuwa nashuka sasa kubomoa nywele, yani ni kama inakatika half of it. Nikifanya blow dry do worse, like na nikamua I have to turn natural for at least 1 plus or 2 years. So guys, that's the reason why I don't twist my hair. So I don't do blow dry, I don't twist it, siekangi piece kwa nywele yangu. I just stay natural as you see. Yeah guys, nywele yangu iko na 8 months and trust me guys, this thing is amazing. So guys, I want to show you how I maintain my natural hair. Yeah, and there's some natural remedies I use. So guys, if you want to see the video of the natural remedies I use, you will comment down below. I do the video for you. So guys, yeah, let's get into the video and show you how I maintain my natural hair. Yes guys, so nime answer your question, reason why I don't twist my hair. Many people have been, why mbona ushukangi, mbona unakanga hivi na nywele yako? But this is the reason guys, by the way, see tuko na nywele poa is that we don't atuzipeangi attention. So 8 months guys, unbelievable guys. Can you, kama uko na shida kama yangu, try to turn natural for at least months, 6 to 7 months, all a year, all 2 years. So guys, let's get to the video guys. I show you how I maintain my hair. So guys, I've washed my hair as you can see. Yeah, nimeiosha. So guys, I want to show you how I maintain my hair, the products I wanaeka kwa nywele yangu after I wash it, and there are some natural remedies I use on my hair. Now I want to show you chenye wanga naeka kwa nywele yangu, but I use this shampoo to wash my hair. I use this Garnier conditioner to wash my hair, and then yeah, I use those two to wash my hair. So guys, I'm gonna show you the product I apply on my hair. I'm gonna show you the product I apply on my hair after I wash it. So guys, let's continue with our video. So guys, this is my hair venye nimeiosha. By the way, hii nywele yangu iko na 8 months as I've said. So guys, zenye wanga natumia this, tumia hii Garnier, hii ni leave-in, alafu natumia this Vatika coconut oil, alafu natumia hii ni almond oil. Healthy and strong hair, for healthy and strong hair. So guys, what I do with my products, I use these 3. Wanga natumia hizi 3. This is a leave-in, hii ni coconut oil, na hii ni almond oil. So guys, what I do is this guys, wanga nafanya hivi. I start with this one. I start with the almond oil. First I shake it like this, and then guys, I apply it. Guys, I don't comb my hair by the way. Wanga nainua hivi na mikono hivi. Don't comb your hair ikiwa na maji, usichanue, utaikatakata. So guys, what I do is, as you can see, like this. Iko na kamwanya kakuweka mafuta. This. I cut again like this, as you can see. You can see how I cut it. I apply it like this. I think you can see. I apply it like this. You see? You see? You see? Yeah guys, I cut the last one like this, like this. As you can see, yeah. Yeah. Like this. As you can see, this. As you can see. So guys, after that, I massage my hair well. I massage my hair I massage my hair ishikane na hiyo almond oil. So guys, hii nywele yangu iko na 8 months na it's amazing guys. Mazini nilikuwa na mesha nywele, inakatika inarudi zero, unapata hata kushuka ni zero work. So guys, after that I use this I do the same procedure to this coconut oil, as you can see, coconut oil. So guys, here I shake it like this. Iko karibu kuisha. I have to get another one. I had like that. So guys, after that I massage my full head, you know. I massage it. And then I apply this one. This is a leave-in. I apply it on my hand. Yeah, no, this naga procedure nayo, as you can see. And I apply it on my hands like this, and then I apply it on my hand. You see, like that. This is the care I use after washing it, after treating my hair with the natural remedies. Guys, you cannot believe this hair has 8 months and it's so healthy. I don't twist my hair. Siakangi piece kwa kichwa yangu. No. Hata siendangi brown dry. Yes guys, it's amazing guys to be natural, but unajua nywele zetu maze. Si mnajua venye wanga zinashikana, si mchezo. So guys, si hivyo. So guys, after that, this is my hair after treating it. Unaona guys, within 8 months, 8 months, unaona tena unaweza shikia hapa. Sasa hii nifanyia brown dry ni kubwa sana. It's so healthy guys, as you can see. Iko healthy. Na nywele yangu ni zile ngumu. Unajua zile nywele ngumu? Ona. Imagine even treat ukapata hata imwagiki. See my hands. There is not falling, imagine. Yeah, to be natural is the best thing. Kama uko na shida kaa yangu, nywele yako ukifanywa brown dry inakatika, ukishuka inakatika, you can turn natural. Unaweza turn natural for some months or years. Hama kwa mwaka tu. Kama uko na kawigi uko na baka wig, ama we style tu natural. Kama mimi na styling natural. So guys, kama siendi mahali, wanga nafanya hivi. Wanga na itwist matuta 3 kubwa sana. Kama siendi mahali na wanga, I don't like combing my hair cause kwanza ukikob nywele ikiwa na maji unaiharibu. So mimi si mzuri kwa kushuka. Yeah, watu wa lefty hawakonge wazuri kwa kushuka. Na kama tuta ama twist. Kwanza nikiwa na time napenda tu twist. Let me twist my hair. So wase hivyo ndo mimi twist nywele yangu kama siendi mahali, after treat, after nimeiosha, after nimeifanyia kila kitu. Hivyo ndo mimi twist nywele yangu. As you can see ni kubwa, ni refu. 8 months. Na nikutumia tu natural remedies and this product nimewaonyesha. So guys, kama unataka niwaonyeshe the natural remedies I use for my hair, you can comment down below guys. The hair is healthy. You can see it, the hair is healthy. I can't believe this guys. I can't believe this. Yani nywele yangu iko inamea. Nilikuwa na bomoa, naenda kwa salon, inakuja kama ilikuwa hapa, inakuja hapa, inakatika yote. So guys, this is the reason why I don't twist my hair. But my hair now it's healthy. Haimwagiki, haikatiki. Can you see guys? It's amazing. It's amazing. I can even say I'm proud of my hair, imagine. Sisi Africans kumajina wa natural hair is a joke. We know, right? Guys, this is my end result after twisting my hair, and this is how my hair looks like. Although guys, I'm not good in twisting. Mi hapa kwa kutwist kwa ngimpoa. But wanga na twist hivi isishikane. Like kama nataka kuistyle nikifanya kitu wanga na itwanisha haraka na inakuwa ijashikana na ikatiki. So Yeah, that's why I twist it like this. Naiweka matuta ama tu twist tule tudogo tudogo nikitaka ikae sana. So guys, yeah, this is how I do it. And guys, if you have the same problem like mine, make sure you try to turn natural for some times, like a year or some months, even months, ziko poa. And you will see the result. I'm so proud of my hair. But then because sometimes I was like, why God, why me? But while I make this decision, guys, happy it's me. Happy ni mimi. See, guys, 8 months. This is amazing, guys. Just try it. Try to be natural. Take care of your hair, guys. We Africans tuko na nywele mzuri sana. The reason is that we don't take care of our hairs. Guys, see. Good in twisting. Don't judge my matuta. Don't judge my matuta. I'm not good in twisting. So guys, this is the end of our video. So subscribe to my channel. Leave a positive comment down there and I will appreciate. I apologize because of my sound. Najua naongea kama kisiagi but nioma niko nayo, guys. Pray for me. Kifua yangu imefungana. Mali niko kuna baridi sana. Very cold sana. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you comment down below nini mekubamba kwa hii video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, share to your friends. Mwenye akona shida kaa yangu ya nywele yake kumwagika, mwambie hata natural. Hey, atakuja kutestify. Atakuja kutoa testimony. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time, guys. I love you. I love your support. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Visit the hair, guys. How does it look? Cute. Tuonane.